Here are three common mistakes people make while blogging. Common mistakes people make while blogging. Now, before we go into this, it is very important you know that blogging can be a very good source of income and a very good way to project yourself to the public. But how you now blog matters a lot, and it is also very important you take note of these mistakes to avoid them while blogging. One of the things I've experienced during my years of blogging is that the quantity of posts you publish on your blog versus the quality of posts on the blog matters. Now, let me explain. If you keep giving quality but in a smaller quantity, it's very good for your blog. Let's say you are giving good information that people are coming regularly to consume, but you are not turning out, those articles every now and then. It's okay. You can do well blogging. That is producing content of value, which is very, very important on your blog. But if you now consider quantity over quality, it is not totally bad, but what you should understand is that bringing people to your site and having them stay is far better than bringing people to your site and not having them ever come back to your site again. It is a very huge trade-off, and you don't want to do that. So I recommend you post quality content, and at the start, you don't really need to rush. You can just post regularly, maybe once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, 4 times a day. Maybe that is your capacity, but just try to post. Now, this takes us to the second point I'm about to share, and that is consistency. Consistency is highly misunderstood by some people. Some people think consistency is just like coming to post every 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock on the dot, they have posted, maybe 9 o'clock on the dot, they've posted, and every day like that. Some people may even schedule their post for 9 a.m. to deliver every 9 a.m. for a whole month. That is not consistency. Now, that is simulating artificial intelligence. You are acting like a robot. When you do that, you are just trying to tell the algorithm that you are a robot, which you are not. So consistency requires you doing something in the normal human methodology and being able to do it continuously. For example, you post every Monday, right? And that post comes up in the morning. You can post maybe 7 a.m. in the morning, 8 a.m. in the morning, 8:16, 9:45, 10:01, at different timing. That is consistency. If you watch, you are not posting as if you are a robot. Your post is not just dropping 8 o'clock every morning, 8 o'clock every morning. That is one thing you should understand. Now, the other aspect which I'm going to talk about is very crucial to your success on your blog. You have to take your time to understand and learn search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is very important for you as a blogger, but you must also take note of this. If you are making social media platform like your blogging platform, this discussion is not really for you. We are talking about people that are making use of blogger.com, wordpress.com, and other self-hosted sites for blogging purpose. If you are blogging using Facebook, you can't compare the number of search queries or search results or the traffic that goes to Google to get information with Facebook. So social media platform can have the advantage of having a specific audience already gathered in a group or maybe on the platform on social media. But you can't compare that with Google. Google still remains the number one search engine all over the world, and which millions, billions of people use to get information on a daily basis. You can't afford not to be seen by Google. So it therefore means that if you want to be a blogger and you want to adopt SEO, you have to do that on either blogger.com, wordpress.com, Wix, or any self-hosted website or blog for you to be able to take full advantage of Google bringing traffic to your blog. I could remember a time when I was getting a minimum of 100 leads every day from Google. And how was I getting that? I was just getting it through Google recommending my website, my blog to be precise, to people that comes to Google to search for information in that niche. And more importantly, because of search engine optimization, my blog was ranking number 1 on Google page 1. And if you ever get to that spot, you will know that it is like heaven on earth when it comes to blogging. I hope these few tips helps you to adjust your blogging tactics. If you want more information about this, please check the video description. You are going to get more information about this. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please do well to click the like button, subscribe, and feel free to drop your question in the comment section. I'll be happy to hear from you. Till I come again your way, please keep shining. Bye for now.